Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I do my half liquid eyeliner and how I apply individual false lashes. Super easy, super quick, so I hope you guys enjoy. To start off, I'm just going to be going in with my Eyeko felt tip eyeliner. It's in charcoal black. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start, I want to measure from my nose to the end of my eyebrow. So I'm just going to draw a line. It's usually a little thicker than I start with, but we'll make it work. And then I just draw lightly because I want it to be just a very small little line. And then once I have that defined, I'm just gonna take the top part of the line and just drag it to the middle of my eye. So I'm gonna shoot for literally the middle. And that is one eye. So I'm pretty satisfied with that line, so then I'm just gonna go in on the other side. Okay, so next I'm gonna show you guys how to apply individual lashes. So these are just Ardell, just little single ones. You can tell I've been using them a lot. You can reuse them probably more times than you can reuse regular lash strips, just because these are so much easier to clean and they're just smaller and they're less noticeable. I'm gonna take my Duo. This is my favorite one. This lash glue, I think it works way better than the other one that comes in like a little tube. Plus I like it because it has like a little brush. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and put it on the back of my hand. Okay, and then I'm going to use my tweezers and just take off by the base, so it's easier to not strip the lash when you do it this way. So I'm just gonna take, I don't know if you can see it, take that little guy and just dip the edge in it. So it looks like you can kind of see it's wet. And then I'm gonna start on the outside of my eye and just place it on there like that. And then I'm gonna do it, I think I like 6 on each side. So I'm just gonna dip it again. So you can always add more in between if you like a fuller effect, if you want something more dramatic. But I like to do it where it's just a little bit of an extra lash lift, where it still looks really natural. So I'm just gonna do my other eye really quick. Okay. So you can kind of see it looks a lot longer, and then I'm just gonna let it dry for like 2 seconds and then go in with mascara. So for mascara today, I'm gonna be going in with my primer, my Tarte Opening Act. This stuff actually makes a huge difference. I think mascara primer is something that I would invest in, not invest in, but I would use almost every time because it does make a huge difference for whether your lashes look thicker, longer, stay on longer. I always notice a huge difference when I wear it and when I don't wear it. Once that is on, I'm going to go in with my mascara. Today I'm using my Marc Jacobs. And since they are individual lashes, they're going to go back and forth a little bit because there's nothing really anchoring them down besides the lash glue. So you'll just have to kind of wiggle your mascara brush and kind of tweak it. And that is really it. It's super simple, super easy. I will literally wear the same lashes every day for a week to work because they're so easy to reuse and clean and just pop on if you want a little bit of an extra lash lift. And plus the eyeliner I think doesn't take as long either because you're literally only doing half of your eye. So yeah, super easy, super great for every day. But that's really it. Thank you guys so much for watching.